So this is the staircase. Stairs. Okay, the lift is over there. And my room is right here. It's room number 206. And this is a good door. There is a big locker. There is even a fridge. Oh, and a safe and a small iron board. Some bathrobes. What is this actually? I don't know. Oh, masks. Okay, what do we have here? Water cooker. Yeah, small desk. Big bed. TV. And a window which leads to nowhere. Just to the next window. Oh, somebody's sleeping there. You can watch them sleep. Okay. Yeah, nice decoration. And the bathroom. Yeah, with the hairdryer and a nice shower. All good. Much better than the hotel yesterday.